Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you an updated method on how to block comments from someone on Instagram. So, let's get started. To begin, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Next, locate and tap on your profile picture at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Now, look for the three lines icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access the menu options. Within the menu, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy to proceed. In the Settings and Privacy section, find and tap on Comments. This will open up the Comments settings. Within the Comments settings, locate and tap on Block Comment From. This option allows you to block comments from specific users. Finally, select the person you want to block comments from and tap on Block next to their profile. This action will prevent them from commenting on your posts. And there you have it. You've successfully blocked comments from someone on Instagram using the updated method. Please note that these steps are specifically for Android devices. If you're using an iPhone or any other device, the steps may vary slightly. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.